Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can return your Kuiu order. Okay, if you have purchased any product and you want to return your order, and how you can return your order. Okay, so let's get started.
You may return your unworn and clean items within 45 days of the purchase date for a refund to original form of payment or Kuiu store credit. Exchanges can be made within 45 days of the purchase date for a different size of the unworn purchased item based on availability at the time of processing at our warehouse. Shipping is always free for exchanges. Kuiu outlet items, gift cards, and e-gift cards are final sale and not eligible for a refund, exchange, or credit. Start your return by heading to Online Returns Exchanges portal. Enter your order number, excluding the -1, and your email address. Click on Find My Order. Select the items you wish to return and provide the return reason and any comments. Choose your preferred shipping method. Please note, if you choose the UPS label option, there will be a $7.50 fee deducted from your refund. Choose your preferred refund method, original form of payment, or a Kuiu gift card. Review the return details and then click Submit My Return Exchange. 2. Print your return label and your return packing slip from the links sent to your email after initiating the return. You will only see a shipping label if you select the UPS return label option. 3. Package up your return. If possible, use the original packaging. And be sure to include the return packing slip inside the package so we can identify your package. Attach the label to the outside of your package. 4. Ship your return by dropping it off at any UPS location or with the carrier of your choice if you chose ship on your own. The tracking details will be sent via email if you choose the UPS option. Once we receive your return, we will process it and issue a refund for the full purchase price, less the cost of shipping to the chosen refund method. Refunds are generally processed within 5 to 7 business days from the day we receive your package.
Dear friends, by using this method, this is the return policy. You can return your product very easily. There is no other way by which you can return your product. Okay, so hope this video will helpful for you. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.